Hey guys, if you guys want to know my go-to look using the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, then go ahead and continue watching. I start off with the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab. I freaking love this palette. This palette's only like, what, $15? And it's really, really, really pretty. It's very pigmented also, which is nice. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Rush. How it looks like. I'm gonna go in with the shade Rush and just put that all over my lid. Going to go in circular motions. So, oops. And I'm going to go in with the shade Mugshot and kind of just put that a little bit below my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the same brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Secret. It's like a brown color. Or a black color. It's brown. And I'm just going to go from my outer V inwards. Let's go in with the shade Siren. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Boon and just put that all over the lid. I'm using my Inglot black gel liner in the shade 77 and my Sigma small angle E65 brush. Whew. I swear I'm like not breathing the whole time I'm doing this. Right now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other eye. Alright, let's hope it looks the same. Nope. It's fixable. Wow. I'm just gonna mess it up right now. Alright, good enough. I'm using the Telescopic Carbon Black by L'Oreal. And at the moment, I have been using these lashes. They're like my favorite. Well, at the moment, they're my favorite. They're the Flutter Lashes. I think this is the name of it. It's the Ersatz, something like that. Look like this. They're really pretty. Now I'm going to go in with my go-to primer. It's the Nivea Men Post Shave Balm. I've been to like 5 of these already. It's like the best. And it's like $5, $6, really cheap. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the brush. And the reason why I use the primer is just because I personally feel like it keeps my foundation on lasting all day. Whenever I feel like I don't use a primer, the foundation's gone within an hour. It just doesn't look as nice. Alright, now I'm going to introduce you guys to my go-to foundation. I've been using this for like the past 2 weeks in a row. It's amazing. I love it. It's the Makeup Forever Water Blend. I'm in the shade Y415. I love it. Like, it's very light, like it's not very full coverage, which is a bit weird because you know me, like I always wear full coverage, and right, like me not using full coverage, right? Like I'm feeling okay. Okay. It's just like I always go to full coverage, but I wanted to try something different, you know, and this one, I feel like it kind of gives me that full coverage effect without it being really full coverage. Yeah, it's very light on the face. I freaking love it. You guys should definitely go and check this baby out. Looks like this. I kind of just put like, I don't know, I feel like it's different every time. I guess that's good for now, then I'll go in if I need more. Don't forget the neck area. I just feel like this foundation really makes my skin look like skin and not that like I have a full thing all over my face. It's just more on the natural side and I really like it. It's like a nice change. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just go over all of that. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. This is my go-to concealer. It's the Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm in the shade Natural Beige. Looks like this. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever contour shade in the shade Y505. I'm just gonna go with my beauty blender and just blend this out. Go in with this Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana. You can get this like at Ulta. That's where I got it, and I think it's like $10, $7, I'm not really sure. Yeah. So, I don't get it out from this container. It's like a bit small and it's messy. So I had like an empty container, so I just put it in this one. And I'm just going in with another beauty blender that's not the same one. And just gonna go over where I concealed. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this brush and just blend that out. I'm going to go in with this Tarte bronzer. It's in the shade Hotel Heiress. Hotel Heiress. It's in the shade Hotel Heiress. It's a Amazon Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and contour my nose. I'm going to use this like thin brush right here. Now I'm going to go in with this type of brush and just blend that out. Now I'm going gonna go in with this like blending brush. Just go over that. Now I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is the Tarte Paaarty one. It literally says like that too. Paaarty. Has 4 A's. Alright, now I'm just going to go in with some highlight. This is the MAC Oh Darling. Like this, it's very creative. Wet the brush with my Urban Decay makeup setting spray oil control on. And I'm gonna let it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get some powder. Because I'm gonna be shining to the gods, I'm kidding. Okay. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take some off. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eye first. Did I say my under eye? I meant my under my brow. And then on the other side. And then the tip of my nose. Let's get my cheekbones. Can you guys see that? It's blinding, huh? It's very cute, and I'm just gonna do some. Alright, now I'm gonna go back in with that eyeshadow palette that I was using earlier. And I'm going to go in with this brush and use this end. It's like a little blending brush. I'm going to go in with the shade Mugshot. I'm just going to go underneath my eye. Alright, now I'm going to go back in with that highlighter that I was using earlier. Gonna use this like little tip pointed AOA Studio E124 brush, and I'm just gonna highlight the tear ducts of my eye. What is this called? Alright, and I'm gonna go ahead and use some Mary Kay mascara, and I'm going to use this for the bottom. My bottom lashes. Now I'm just going to use this Anastasia and go over my brows with it. It's brow gel in the shade Chocolate. I'm going to go in with this Kylie Jenner Velvet Lip in the shade Savage. And now, last but not least, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my face. So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Alright, bye!